Welcome student, this is your BST class. Today I am taking MCQ of chapter number 1. First question is coordination is options are given to you: a function of management, an assess of management, a part of management, or none of this. Four options are given. First is a function of management, an assess of management, part of management, none of above. Answer is an assess of management. Which function of management ensures work accomplished as per plan? Which function of management ensures work accomplished as per plan? Options are given: planning, directing, controlling, organizing. Again listen. Options are planning, directing, controlling and organizing. Answer is controlling. The process by which a manager integrates and synchronizes the activities of different department is called. Again listen the question. The process by which a manager integrates and synchronizes the activities of different department is called. Options are given to you: management, controlling, planning, coordination. Management, controlling, planning and coordination. Answer is coordination. Next question is: coordination is more important in organization. Options are given to you: performing or dealing with single function, performing or dealing with multiple functions, performing or dealing with manufacturing goods, or all of the above. Answer is performing or dealing with multiple functions. Next question is: all the businessmen prefer their children to do MBA and then join business. All the businessmen prefer their children to do MBA and then join business. This is related to management as science, management as an art, management as science and an art, management as a profession. Answer is management as a profession. Ankita is engaged in manufacturing chocolates and biscuits by using environmental friendly methods of production. Ankita is engaged in manufacturing chocolates and biscuits by using environment friendly methods of production. Which management of objective is using here? Individual objective, organizational objective, social objective or economical objective? Answer is social objective. In order to enter into profession, one has to acquire an educational degree by clearing specified examination conducted by registered institutes. Which feature of profession is being revealed? Again listen. In order to enter into profession, one has to acquire an educational degree by clearing specified examination conducted by registered institute. इसका मतलब है कि अगर आपको किसी भी प्रोफेशन में एंटर करना है तो सबसे पहले उसका एग्ज़ाम और उसकी एजुकेशन पढ़नी ज़रूरी है. तो ये आपको किस प्रोफेशन की डिग्री के बारे में बताता है? Restricted entry, ethical code of conduct, professional association, well defined body of knowledge. Answer is restricted body. क्योंकि किसी भी प्रोफेशन में आप तब तक एंटर नहीं कर सकते जब तक आप उस पर्टिकुलर जगह से पढ़े नहीं हो. जैसे डॉक्टर के लिए MBBS करना कंपलसरी. अगर आपने MBBS नहीं किया तो आप डॉक्टर में एंटर नहीं कर सकते, डॉक्टरिंग प्रोफेशन में. नेक्स्ट, which level of management is concerned to coordinate the activities of different department according to overall objectives? Listen. Which level of management is concerned to coordinate the activities of different department according to overall objectives? Top level, supervisory level, middle level or operational level? Answer is top level. It involves leading, influencing, motivating the employees to perform the assigned task. It involves leading, influencing and motivating the employees to perform the assigned task. Highlight which function of management: staffing, planning, directing, or controlling. Answer is directing. To exploit fully the growth potential of the organization, management is talking about which objective: social, personal, organizational, or economical. Answer is organizational objective. I am taking one more question. The management of an organization does not achieve its objective by chance, but it is done by following a process called dash. Answer is management. The function of management which creates various department is called, जहाँ department बनाए जाते हैं, that is organizing. The primary or first function of every manager is what? This is planning. Division or department head belongs to dash level of management, that is middle. Managers must update and modify its objective from time to time, indicates in dash feature of management, dynamic. Management has dash objectives, multiple. Completing the task with minimum cost and optimum utilization of resources is called efficiency. Completing the task on time or achievement of target is called dash. Dash is effectiveness. Increase in number of branches, number of products indicate that management is achieving dash objective, organizational. Coordination does not come by chance, but it is dash process, deliberate. Clear? Learn these questions very carefully.